Biology MCQs. Chapter 3 Biological Molecules. Quiz 2. A person's diet contains more protein than is needed for growth and repair. This causes increased production of carbon dioxide, sweat, hormones, urea. Option D, urea is the correct answer. What happens when an enzyme catalyzes a reaction? The activation energy is released. The enzyme molecule cannot be used again. The products are different in the presence of enzyme. The speed of reaction changes. Option D, the speed of reaction changes is the correct answer. Which conversion does not take place in the body of a human? Amino acid into polypeptides, glucose into starch, glycerol and fatty acid into fats, glycogen into glucose. Option B, glucose into starch is the correct answer. In which processes are water molecules broken down and converted into other chemicals? Aerobic respiration of glucose, formation of carbohydrates in chloroplast, formation of lactic acid in muscles, metabolism of amino acid. Option B, formation of carbohydrates in chloroplast is the correct answer. Tennis players often eat bananas during long matches. Which nutrient in a banana is important during the match? Carbohydrate, fiber, vitamin C, iron. Option A, carbohydrate is the correct answer. Which process can be carried out without the use of enzymes? Conversion of starch to maltose in the mouth, digestion of protein in alimentary canal, production of sugar in green leaves, uptake of water by plant roots. Option D, uptake of water by plant roots is the correct answer. What shows that a solution contains protein? Option, procedure, positive result. Add Benedict's solution and heat, orange precipitate. Add burette reagent, violet color. Add ethanol then pour into water, cloudy white emulsion. Add iodine solution, blue, black. Option B, add burette reagent, violet color is the correct answer. According to the lock and key hypothesis, which is the lock and which is the key for enzyme lipase? Key, lock. Fatty acids, lipids. Lipase, lipids. Lipase, fatty acids. Lipids, lipids. Option D, lipids, lipase is the correct answer. The graph shows the result of an experiment on enzyme activity. Which label for the x-axis is correct? Concentration of enzyme substrate complex, pH, temperature, time. Option B, pH is the correct answer. Starch is digested to maltose by the enzyme amylase. According to the lock and key hypothesis, which is the key and which is the lock? Key, lock. Amylase, maltose. Amylase, starch. Starch, amylase, starch, maltose. Option C, starch, amylase is the correct answer. For more videos, keep watching our YouTube channel. To practice more quizzes, visit our website mcq.theproreaders.com.